Hello friends, on this video how you can use Pano camera on Realme phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, here just move on camera. After you tap on camera, from here you just slide on the down. Then here on this line, on the first line, you are going to find Pro, Pano and Film. If you don't know how to use these many features of the camera, then you can watch my some videos, latest videos, okay? And friends, if you want to use this Pano camera, first of all, just tap on Pano. Then after you tap on Pano, here it shows the this side or this side you can capture, okay? Example, like I want to capture this side. So this is wrong, okay? You can capture nice one, the new one, okay? Let's capture some photos. So I have captured, I think so. See, here you can capture easily, okay? I will show you from here to there you can capture, okay? If you don't know, then I'll show you from here to there you can capture photo. Let's capture again. So friends, here you can see it's little bit blur, but I have captured photos from here to here, okay? See, from here to here you can use your Pano camera easily like this, okay? I'll show you again. See friends, I have captured, okay friends? So here, so friends, you can Pano camera easily like this if you want to capture every of the background on your mobile phone. Example, like from here to here you want to capture, but you cannot capture by just doing like this also, then you can use your Pano camera, okay friends? So friends, if you love the video and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.